Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to learn the course agenda and the items that we're going to discuss over the course. In the first introduction to the lessons, you're going to have a brief introduction about myself, about my experiences, your expectation of the courses, and the most important, how these courses are prepared for you to have a better understanding of the IT careers. The next sections, we're going to discuss the basics of Computer 101, followed by the hardware parts, ports, and internal components. We're going to review what is a computer, what is the terminology used in computer systems, hardware, software, operating systems, folders, and files. We're going to spend some time describing how to create folders, subfolders, files, using the graphical interface unit, using the command line. You will have the required skills to troubleshoot the basic and most common issues on the workstation. You will be able to identify easily why a computer is down. My computer has internet. Is my computer connecting to the Wi-Fi network? Is my computer on? What are some of the parts of the computer? What is a hard drive? What is a memory? What is a processor? Is this a AC power unit? Is this a CPU? All of these terms and keywords are going to be discussed on this course. Welcome and happy learning. Bye.